A very good evening to you, my friends and students. Amrish Patente welcomes you with a very good news this time. The Motorizzazione and Italian government have together decided to make it easy on all actually everybody who wants to do the license. There will be a new law passed starting from 8th January 2022, where usually when you want to have a driver's license, the procedure was you must pass an exam, and that is actually half an hour's duration, where you will be asked 40 sentences, which you can answer with true or false. And if you make less than 10% of mistakes, which means less than 5 mistakes, then you pass the theory. Now, taking into consideration the fact that during the COVID, lots of people are in the waiting list to give the exams. So they have lots of people waiting, and they would like to speed the procedure. So they are now doing a new law. This new law that's starting from 8 January says that they will not be asking 40 sentences anymore, but only 30. And the duration of your exam will not be half an hour, but just 20 minutes. And if you make less than 4 mistakes, then you pass the theory. And not only that in itself is a good news, because usually our students who do the exams, you know that the SCADA, the quiz, they finish it in 10-15 minutes. They don't need more than 20. So the time limit is very good. And it's only 30 questions. It makes it very, very easy for all the other non-Italian speaking, English speaking, non-residential living in Italy, to make it easy for them to obtain the license and start a lovely, dignified life with the license. So this is the best time. Now or never. So join if you want to. If you wish to have more information regarding this, do not hesitate to contact us. There'll be number put down below so that you can call up and ask information regarding it. If you would like to try our online classes in English language, which is almost every day at 5:30 from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, 5:30 to 6:30, you can have the classes, so you can have somebody teaching in English language so as to pass your theory in Italian. Okay, so make the best of the opportunity. You never know how if you get a chance like that ever again. But 2022 could be a very good year for you, where you can start a new life with your license. I hope that you take this step, because the only mistake you can do is by not making any choice whatsoever. So do something. It'll always show you a better result than just sitting passively and hoping that someday things will get better. Be extraordinary. I wish you all the best. Goodbye. Take care.